Hello, dear kids. Welcome to Dalian Heather Cartoon for Kids. Today we are going to watch another exciting story. Our three best friends. So let's start. Lay. Before starting your video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dalian Heather Cartoon for Kids. So let's go. Peaceful forest. Three friends, Quail, Swan, and Crow, meet under the shade of a large, big oak tree. They laugh and chat about their day. Quail is small and fast. Swan is graceful and elegant. And Crow is clever and always ready for an adventure. They promise to be best friends forever, helping each other, no matter what happens. Every day, Quail spotted a delicious berry patch across the river. But the water is deep and fast. Quail can't swim. She asks Swan for help. Swan gracefully flies over the river and picks a berries for Quail. Quail is so grateful and promises to help Swan when she needs it. Thank you, my dear Swan. You gave me a delicious berries. I never forgot. Day, a swan faces a challenge for all. Last night, the powerful wind blew down a tree, blocking the way to the lake, where she loves to swim. She tries to move it but can't. Quail, who quick on her feet, flies to her help and finds a way to wiggle through the branches to clear the path. Swan is amazed and thankful. Thank you, dear Quail. You helped me to swim on my favorite place. I will never forget. Thank you so much. Today, the clever crow sees a shiny object high on a tree, but it's too far for her to reach. She calls out to her friends for help. Quails try to fly, but she's not strong enough, and Swan can't reach it with her long neck. Then Crow uses her sharp beak to carefully pull it down, showing the cleverness and just being as a valuable strength. Swan and Quail happy and amazed of cleverness of the crow. One stormy day, a heavy rain causes a small flood. The three friends find themselves stuck on a small patch of land, unable to get back their home. Together, they built a small raft using branches and leaves. Quail helped to collect material. Swan uses her wings to guide the raft, and Crow finds the best route. They all work together and reach safely to their homes. They reach their home safely and sit by the fire. Their adventure. Quail, Swan, and Crow talk about how much they have each other. They realize no matter what challenges came their way, they will be always there for one another. Their friendship is stronger than ever, built on love, trust, and the teamwork. The rain is still pouring down, but they are happy to home and very satisfied to help each other. They love to help and happiness. But dear Bella's true friendship each other through thick and thin, no matter how big or small challenge. Each friend brings something unique to the group, and together they are unstoppable. That's why they succeed to their challenges. So this is it for today. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends. I'll meet you in the next video. Until goodbye and take care.